Tumurundo gwo kubanza aha mwanya ogu hari kubaho ekikangabwa nkeki enshimike ehwire torize kureba ekizubu nkeki ecweka nicyo kimwe kandi abaturage umucyanga eki nabagira ngo egu gwenda kuba umuze ayi bari kushabira abantu na mnonga abakora mbitongore bitari mwe na mwe na mnonga mu government egi ababo kujunanizwa ahabyenguto kurebeka ngo bakiterera mu mangu barebeka ngo bagira ecyo bakora na mnonga okuteka hampsi omuruguto nkobo obundi kugira ngo za butandu aha mwanya ogu zongere okucendezwa aba TV West ndo Onesimus ndiya nabo
yabere mnonga Onesimus ndiya nabo so ejo story nemwe ahazinde zubire twarebere kandi zorekere ngo abantu binji bahendire barujo magaragese. I think there's also another sad story in arebire yi abantu bari kumuri munana barujo magaragese hwa bari kweta rusharara rusharara nuko bari kwetaho it was nasty to it muri ebyo. I think I also saw another sad story y'umwana umweji who apparently benashomera Ontario school nawe ugwira umwanya ngugumwe around that same place na wari kucinanturwa butandu. Umujyi wanje usasira kukiza nshonga zigumere. Umujyi wanje ni Kemigisha Vienna eri abinji bari kumanya eri Nyamunyonyi kandi Kemigisha Vienna numwe bembezi umuringo gumini gashogundi kozere milimetari yemwe nemwe yaherezana n'ebitongore na mnongo kwika zo kwera abantu. She has tried her shot at politics. Didn't go exactly the way she planned. I don't know. Naza kutugambira konka kabayise imbere ahantebe yukujwekera umkazo munyishengero ahabwa district ya Bushenyi naza rwaka kanju no bahuriza baka kanju
mnonga nato ntayinkurwa
namsi y'abantu yo tubone kutandika
we bari mnonga umutebe cancer program.
Yeah,
izina ni Kemigisha Vienna Nyamunyonyi muhara wakashaya nenga kakanju kandi nishemerwa mnonga duka mu materiza opportunity tukija tukaganiraho n'abanyaganda n'abanyabushenyi and also in particular kanyongera nsima abanyabushenyi mwe barubahagizi mwe bari kumpagira. I am deeply indebted to you nyinibanja ahamtuma gwanje and once naguma nafuna opportunities nkezi shware irakari yanje tukubija kurara ahandi mwebare mnonga. Of course ni sasubwa mwena abantu mwena na mnonga ababira affected na trade odeje bire na mnonga single mothers abachara batina bashija babo ni mangu nabenje babe affected mnonga na nemyeto na mnonga nibe nekira gukora chapati arabajwe mhanda bachara. So I know it's too hard chugumere ni mangu abinje nabana baba bamwe barigiro mu mashomero mwenka government okwetura nekora kurunje burijo na mnonga hanshonga nkezo ninishkumbire bwa covid government kateka o center za COVID recovery fund for small scale businesses na niteka government kuya kubasa at least yakwatira ho abachara nkabo na mnonga single mothers at least for you noro jiretai oriaha you have something go you
bakasente dikenda
at least by the time ngani nkora cyuruhura nkanda nabashaho mbatereza ubuhunga. Really yes we accept abukwa tukino ho control so far ngokwa kugamba it's for development konka bateka ho na mnonga I'm sure abantu abo nabo hine cyo bimbagita economy yihanga.
Yes, that's right.
So government narabachara abamana bari yo kwa heguru na mnonga for me so far I already have a list na mnonga yabachara abo ba single mothers ababira affected abwa trade order. If people can assist them, yes arugu kan yokajezaho, but sure it's a big number. Nindeba government ehunami ahanshonga zabo so niteraho umuranga Robin Nabanja Prime Minister with wihanga ninkushabangu we need to think about ababakyara nkabo na mnonga also na nemyeto especially we have seen a reduced number twachfuna numbers nyingi umwankore tukatugira 13% abana ababicha bokufunenda bakirya abana bato konka abantu kubatandikira imyeto cyo gatandike gukora chips zaba hamahanda we saw a reduced number of teenage pregnancy na mnonga ahashonga zabichi kufunenda bakirya abana bato kwati bakabinaho kuyaka sente but now we also want chinkwenda nabo after this implementation ya trade order nyenda nguturebeza indicators local revenue eyongire ntwenda nguturebeza indicators teenage pregnancy hino kwechendire hunko kweberi so usually I know deeply many families ziriyonze bonabona
ntuza kukigarukira bwanyuma nantakwenda ku district nako nari watchitandisa namani you speaking so passionately about it the message kutwira amutima reka twiniro kace tuzabyo uruguto because equally uruguto rwamara amagaraga abantu binji and as one of the people who use that road or what we know Abaho but also I am sure okurabiro mu the political network that you have built so far I'm sure you get to understand and okure chwa gender umumisho abakwate nebyo uruguto. I want you to start by sharing your experience umukozi so uruguto.
I think my last experience is today, even I think yesterday, even the other day. Kurugaha actually neke chureche hari urkushuma hari intara harona accident awahifa nebina byonga so wakureba nkicho wagambereho kutandikiraho kashuma mpaka Bushenyi nebina byonga umurgudo. There are some spots as room I think yesterday I made the video because the whole video I felt so hurt na hurukushasha kwangu. Of course government tugisima mnonga konka ebitukabara kubigambaho cause one life life emwe umuntu kufera aharuguuto tukachitwara otyoto ninyushka hebirabir na bitano byo kwakana abantu bo kwingana mushanju bakafera aharuguuto rwakabowe wawagigambiro hejo sport ya Busharara and several were injured kandi waza kurebe cyaresera abantu nubafa most leading cause of death yaba bantu ayabe navuga akatera umukina I think akakonokeye kenanka kacweka abantu bakambatambureje on their lane bari mu ruguto rwabo kurungi bari kutambura on their side konka yabara control yabatamu abantu mushanju bafera. And of course bakafuna accident and looking at the emergency care system ya ihangere I am sure yes government compensating those 7 family members by giving them millions itan I think and ababire injured bakabahereza 1 million konka no babayire 1 million ejeshaha wazo mu private sector ejeshaha ukajana umuntu ine accident nanga nanda kukora mbenda kumshemeza utine millions ishatu millions ibiri it's very hard to bakukwata mu private sector and if you go to actually come emergency of course to an emergency area regional referral and whatever it's also overwhelmed so it's surely ni kintu cyo kushasha mnonga waza hamayiro mwenda naho I remember ebirobe nabyo kwikumena kumwe last year mwako guhingwira hakafera abantu bashatu naho still echaresere mbafa nebyina potholes ninyushkaho bakagira uko batekaho uko bakozereho punching konka nora kugira ngo enjura kwegwa ijoro ruguto ndugarkarjarata rutimbuka twagumiza mutwaza mu Bushenyi rwentu aho haruha utakicere arho kazuho harechaya it's a sport nanga among some of these things you need take maybe bamwe tuba serious cause ejo sport ebiro accidents nyingi munonga one wala waza kwikaho almost haruza corners nyingi kuza kuhika taro sign post yona tare jo maybe go slow accident ahead taro humps teenager. And now what is happening norwamba ubunda biroho yesterday but one hariho rwamba rutwireho kahindikira kitero taro sign post teenager hariho a sharp corner aho mojo w'imyaka 10 I think na myaka 16 afira ugwa ku rugantare ugwa be nashomera ntare wika wawe takicha I think around kahaya arabi na byinje nawo konka aro institution ahari kahaya ho technical institute
UTC
taros any sign post kugira maybe into expecting ngo abana bishomero mbabasa kuba mbargayo maybe bar crossing bar kutahayiba kubyama or something of the sort bar kuza kurya nothing taro hump name. So mwenu oruguuto rwa Bushenyi ishaka mbarara especially those sports mununga nintekateka the most leading cause of death ebina nibyingi. Yes, ndisho nasabda maybe overspeeding. Usually hariho kuba no overspeeding konka okatringa in case of an accident you regret konka watumire china usually ukaza kuchara, that's when you make what nubwo bwo kutomera. So sure nishaba government yitu ihanga of course mwana asabda vitlo budget plan. We had a plan wale boruguto rwa I think kawohe insika waza buhejo rwa batira mu NDP 3 ryo plan kongati makwe barukozero. So nitekateka ngu tuchikora ho munonge cy'ikindi because ndubasa bari ryo plan nango bereke kugira ngo budgetereho but ushangi tax even
I wanted to know burden yi abebembezi babutosha babantu babutosha bine is there a cause no rya abantu abo abebembezi abaruko bembera icangejo have they come up kugamba aharuguuto on the different opportunities ezibakwa bedina na platforms ezibine ninga abantu ni bafera aharuguuto and no one is actually raising it?
Of course to me it beats my understanding. You may speak today and then you become silent. Ugambe for show up, for show off. You must follow up. Noza kushanga ngo handikire report rwereko ruguuto rwa Bushenyi utatire mu those specific spots eshime kubanza ukorwaho mangu mamdunga mangu wasagamba 2021 or 2023 or 2024 and nothing has been done. Then it must be a continuous follow-up. We expect even when someone has spoken yagamba kugira ngo we itwe nkabantu baburijo itwe ntwendo ruguuto kugira ruta ibyo gamba we want to see results ntwendo ruguuto ntwendo because nkanye nko mucyara nkinshasha mnonga because of recently mzee wanje karwire konka kurwo witu kakanju kumutwaro ni emergency mbarara ituka 3 hours eshayishatu. So naete kombigere naja ntatika tugene ngo mucyara nanda kuzara
ariyo narumo
bamu referringa kumwiha Bushenyi Health Center ya kana kumtwara maybe regional referral. What happens mpapa hoki? So usually arrangement ngeze ukora kugira ngo you don't need to just because you're speaking maybe for pressure for politics hari ibintu byoshe mu kubano mugeza ho nkabebembeze kurebuka ngo ebimwe mwageza ho mwa pushing so hard mwatambara because taro cyo kubasa kumbeha ngo yesente tuzuru government eje innocent.
So is it an issue of priority?
So it's an issue of priority and follow up. Because that nkebe bina yes ito nkabantu kabentwenda kurebuka ngo ruguuto rwakorwa rwaba maintain kandi waba rehabilitated because nwarango habwe byina rukafunda. So nicyo cyagutwa kwentwenda konke icyo cyakitakabeyireho katumba wamara tagira cyakorwa nangwe bibina bakagira kuba bishweka because kuba kushweka ubwiro bwinje mbateka muitaka cyo cyangwa mwenjora yagwa ubwiro bwinje mbyabita mberga hine spot ya one uko mu Bushenyi mbaheta nyakabiriza bakata huita kerinyi hati warinda honka ubwiri kose ico nkiza ko akaruhu rwina ruhango so nyoni ntekateka that echi nyoni mpiga na mnunga minister because the personal of course ni shashuru mushoro nyoni ngamba nkanje ko muhi wo mushoro
nkabandi banyaganda nabo bari ko mushoro
yes so dijo nasaja why no ni ngamba ko because I'm paying percentage ya money so ni shaba General Katumba mana Minister of Works and Transport atuyambe at least itwe atutereho for emergency ebibyina be covered as we are waiting nko kubagamba NDP4 nka tubeturiyo mu NDP3 nka aharuguuto rwa nsika kabwohe urwo rukiryaho bakabatira plan ya NDP3 kandi center arikwereka nguzuruho na hati turwakatandikire so I think nkibasa kutwara ubwire buringo even no bakubamba yango uryo mu plan uburyo mu budget no what we want it nkabanya Uganda na mnonga bukushashura umushoro mutuyambe ahabo kuba we do not want to see a life even umuntu umukufa umuka nekintu kibi munonga kibi munonga umucyara kushanga ngo yanaza kuzara ngo yafera umuhanda takitsire ayiba mu referringa nyoni ndangu nekintu cyo kushasha munonga kushanga umwana yaruhira umunda bamba mutwara hirwara bugira ngo urugendo rwaba rurimbo umwana yahendera feel so I think to me ni shaba munonga kugira ngo oruguuto rube priority mutuyambe kurebukangu korwaho munonga kandi nanyanisha munonga kugira ngo abarukoze soro ruguuto speed tucendezeho maybe there are many other factors konka usually no ruguuto rubi munonga nawaza kureba mu Uganda so far nko mwako gwe 2025 Uganda yona tukafisa almost abantu 15 bishatu kinanisha tabaferira rwo on average that means buri mwezi ntibantferwa abantu 15 so that means Bushenyi so far mkwakana ni 15 tushanka ba
mwayo
abayigire so I think nishaba government minister wa works and transport nabo chukwata ubona because why would you now bring me 5 million ukazimpereza because arabebembeza bo kufayo mukebyo kubyabiro honka bakabwohe bakafa barebuka kugira ngo president Museveni yaba compensatinga yaba 5 millions konka hiru habaryoko tunkogo mwana yafirira aharuguuto ishe n'ubu yabahereze ku I think 2 months back imyeze ebere hingwire nawe yafa so imagine family hataheri
nakazigize
so nko kutubena tujangu life expectancy yitu erya hari inkaga na munana nyontandikire kutina na munonga nywa rukuruga Bushenyi nebasa kwija kushuma
tutakagira mukachimuka humuro nabani zo kurete cyo kugira ngo role yabembezi bari kubasakora because yes twarebere ngo maybe ikintu basako gihe government yabo hagati planning yacu nacho but in the meantime abembezi abari ha ground what can they do to raise awareness about this role?
You see now the problem with abembezi hati nje jinjanti abantu twimukiremo because
ningana batinabwa abo kuja ngo wetu
ubona ninyija ntiyagira ati abantu babuzere atabwache mtakajati akarurunka kagura why should I even bother so binje mukarurunka akahingwire mutakagura karure mtwari 10 one vote abamwe bahuma so you bamuhereze ko
mtwaro 100k akaruruka
yes so that zeal yo kugira ngo continuing ushakira abantu bawe but still nyoni ngira nti abanya-Uganda abantu barabajabira we just need to come up nk'abanya-Uganda nka citizens to a responsibility tukubasa gukora nk'itwe nk'abanya-Uganda kurebuka ngo emwe bintu byakorwa konkata norebe kizibe kitwine information na kigumire munonga holding leaders bitu accountable because hata umuntu noza kushanga kugira ngo naza kwimuka ntutugambira aharuguuto naga kudefendinga because ari ahamushara bamereza umushara gwa airtime buri wiki so it becomes very hard so ikintu kushaba abanyaganda kugira ngo twerwane we need to speak up gamba and ekiri kunshasha munonga kugira ngo reka tureke kusasibwa abantu mushi w'umuntu kwereza nk'icye 15 then akakushaka kusheka kanwa kawo butagamba
twaza kumuroka cye honorable Kemigisha Vienna Nyamunyonyi kuturagaruce tuza kutera tochi abikwatirine na echane cyo echabantu kutunga ubuhereza ubundi buhereza twatandukana n'uruguuto but generally how is service delivery standing umucanga cyanyu cyaga cya Bushenyi greater Bushenyi nejo abantu ubuhereza ubundi bashaka no batunga kubana basakushanga tugira ngo abemeze bari yomba koraje kandi with the other areas where they are really doing the best ebitoko basako crediting kutwaje mukahumuro utakarugative west ntugaruka
Wota kulise MTN momo no gumirwa okusharamu yetandara okuca mu kugumire kozesa momo app ningashi nyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyuma oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shiringi 15 ago ni gomanyiga momo
cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Looking sharp has never been this easy. Welcome to Bright Suits. Be your own label. Located at La Grand Mall, High Street, Barara, Level 2, Shop number 5. Right in the same building with Equity Bank. At Bright Suits, we customize premium office wear for both men and women. Plus, wedding suits, graduation suits, Kawunda suits, and more. Whether you're dressing for business or your big day, we've got the perfect fit for you. Call us today on 0751 075 108 or 0777 081 196. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Bright Suits and check out Taylor at Omubazizi on X, formerly Twitter. Bright Suits, be your own label.
waba tukuzise momo noshanga wajira mbyo kutungana
nkuwaire 15 ate bana mama nkuwaire 15
mbe ompaire 15
abantu abakulu mwatandisa obuyaye mwena
obuyaye obuliga
iwe
maduka waiboti
sente dange nizade kolera ngo binakolera sente
yitandira kutungana kozesa momo app ningashi nyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyuma oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi ya shiringi 15 ago ni gomanyiga momo
bizala abana bamaviri yabo
Yes, Steve was nahinda izina yanje ndi Bob's Gad Abaho kandi program nashonga yizoba mujunyi wanje ni Kemigisha Vienna Nyamunyonyi kandi twe tuganira bikwatirine na uko buhereza barukika abantu umucange ca Bushenyi na Bushenyi mpango kutwariza hamwe twatandikira aharuguuto rwa Marakiri kandi rukutwitamu abantu. There's a tweet I saw okuruga our social media handler, our official social media handler witu izoberi Chabe Andrew arukubisa government na stakeholders abandi batamwe na bamwe arukubije yangu. I think there was that tweet. Yes, that's the tweet that you can see. Kubije yangu they should shift attention ni manyene binje biturugambaho konka butandu inambi abantu 12 bakahenda barjumagara against in just a space of 30 days. Roma komisha tubionka in 1 month we've lost 12 lives. Really sad. So twatenda tuganira ahabishongezo kandi honorable nkomuru mantaba ko eso gutorwo nana nkukuchira kuraba mu n'abanyabuganda bona because we know that place is terribly busy. It's very busy, incredibly busy. Abantu yes, na connecting through that area noza kuriyo mu umwanya bwijwiremo tourism potential and then of course you also have Congo to the side. When it is a very important road. Kongasu kagamba aharuguuto ronga abokuba. Could this be a reflection of what's happening in other sectors? Ombikwatenoka abantu barakutunga obuhereza waba noreba, especially since you got an opportunity kurabo mu bantu ombwiro bwabiro esimbire okuzo mu byaro. I understand no yega chango munonga about the people abokuba no indangojwekire nubu wabe no baraba muri kubarunda mu karuru no manyebizibo byabo no manya obwetavu mu Rwanda ko bakubweta onke byetengo bibine okugira ngo bundi buheza kuba ko butabakire. So let me start by asking you observations that was kaze ziha in as far as service delivery is concerned na mununga obwabe no Rambura district.
We bari mununga kandi nensima kugira ngo nkafuna opportunity kandi almost 17 sub counties of Bushenyi zona
and Bushenyi is really huge.
Yes, the mpango not only Bushenyi, I think nkatambara hantu hingi Shema Mitoma was almost kwabokirganka arechwe kamba cheta kajunju wargo kweza karyango mureterwa Shema wanoza nka bahita Nyarugote mutoro muri Shema muri Mitoma. So at least nyina opportunity kugira ngo at least ebyange byingi nkaberabam. One, I think to me reflection y'oruguuto rwa Bushenyi Mbarara nerekana reflection y'enguuto zite ziri mu byaro. Recently nkahandika ha social media emwe aha WhatsApp mu rugamba na munonga haruguuto rwitu rwa Kakanju kwikomu Kashanda witu kugumzamu uruguuto ry'umu Sore State. Yes, engineer kana agira ati twitira plan konkanya ibintu bya plan think byoni manyangu if something you have put it in a plan. Yes, ngo bakugamba bakitira mu budget, but we are receiving 1 billion every year to receiving a 1 billion ya road maintenance fund. Nkakora ho cyuruhura at least nimbahereza none mbaterera ho ingara abantu baciruhura na mununga omunguto zabo. Abese bomba kore nguto nyingi 1 billion washara muka basirious okagikozesa ona numugumo mu plan. Yes, it is in plan, it is in budget, it is in the next budget. So warebo ruguto waza ruhumure nguto zaho hagwa mezi. I think mbachafuteka muke bisoni usually maintenance zabo ubwira mzee wanje byabari umwebe mbaza cancer we used to have at local government tukatucira kugira nguto nunje munonga konkati ecyo kwija kikareta ubuzubu nekintu cyumwe kugira ngo MPs bitwaba naba local government nabantu baburijo. I think baremerwe kumanya responsibilities njo cyangwa abantu mbabandikira MP hebintu byona ngo rwo ruguto nabo kuba kwijo mbururu bajyanga ninye nkoze rwo ruguto rwa Kakanju kandi rwo ruguto shanga kugira ngo the person who is responsible na budget yaki ya district egera kwije MP wo mugashogwe no kugira ngo yayongeraho ki aha budget egeye bakuba bine ya district ya robinga more funds twafune zindi sente nyingi zo kongera ha budget eri kuba nkati Bushenyi mbenda passing about I think obuhumbana na butanu budget yitu ya 2026-2027 konkati benda kugira ngo abantu bwiro bwinje no tikuchimanya no shanga MP ari kugira ati nyankoze oruguuto rwa kakanju kuza you get the point. So shanga we have that challenge. So enguto zitu na mnongeza Bushenyi zimbyaro ziri in a sort of state as I may say. I don't know engineer witu district tima plan because these plans nyoni nzagamba nkomuntu as plans mushime kuba muzitwere ko mu tushime kuba ntuzireba na budget konkati rare nzo ko mu council gumo mu council.
Have you sought information now?
Why should I so nzo kudisha information neje shime kuba neza ha notes boards public notes boards wachireba shime kuba nza ha sub counties za parish level zombyaro abantu babemba bimanye. What if I'm not there? This information should not be because you're not agenda ninjifuna konka we are saying it should be for consumption y'abantu bitu budget nkato kuba yamba gishoma yaba approved babiteka notes board zone abantu bona bagere bata babimanye billion emwejo yija ya road maintenance fund. Yes ni mangu hakaza mu okucyankaranya wa road fund konka zija tumanye kuzatambura zikozere nguto zingahe zikozere kilometers zingahe ni sente zihazona asigireho zingahe. Echa kabiri ekinanye ndagamba ho munonga na munonga kiri kunshasha munonga nkuko wagamba ko natambuyire. My first question inabe mbuza aha sente za PDM murazihurireho mukazifunaho ntuzuhura at least hariho sensitization ya PDM konka ekituga bakwa miliyoni emwe bakuyaho emitwaro 10 bakuyaho emitwaro 20 and of course omuntu waburijo emitwaro 10 20 nanda kasente akihayo akabahereza. So I think major
okuzigaruza
kandi bambendeze sente zona. So major ekinarebera during my campaigns zanje ekituga cha PDM and that's what I was asking ba RDCs abokora oversight on member parliament omuntu wanje mbamwiyaho sente zekituga then tuzokurinda bara maruga ija Bushenyi and he was asking people. It was a shame twaturichizina and people were bakabijwire akadara barugamba ngumba tuyaho bituganyuka hura nashwara. Why should we wait kugira president Museveni abirumuyija Bushenyi zo kubuza ngo ekituga nabanga habire ekituga n'ikindi cyo kushwaza na mununga. We need to go back ombyaro bakushanga wihire ekituga umuntu bakukome nangu zigaro hesente. Echa kabiri twine projects nkaza grow nazo nkambuza generating growth opportunities for women productivity as a send aina aburize hona ina atambwire tine mcharo yabe najateze sente ndazirebera. Yes twinezi in the center za web nzibasa kubazira konkana zo sensitization kuna benkibuza marahurira ha sente za bacyara nabo bakaba kugira abinje special abacyara abo kwa hasi.
So when programs za government tizigambirirwe
yes that's a reality ekitwija kuchereka nkambuzaho marahurireho eze sente za agriculture credit facility na munonga imwe abahinga okuhinga akugira ngo icyo tukajasta tukazura marahurire sente ziryo mu Uganda Development Bank bakajya ngo ibyo nibisya murahuriraho na munonga nabanga habaryaha abashomesa abana babo aha student loan scheme mu Bushenyi nabanga habaryaha abashomesa abana babo as scholarships za state house and usually you would not tumuno nabyo bikabashanga ngo utibigize bita tubiro. So programs za government nora kujya emyoga yes nebasa ko baba ariho noza kushanga kugira ngo ariho na kigambo umuntu akajya tazamanya atoyendesereza tamba kwita ntwabwachi atoroba waru batumshwani yabana. So you realize that noza kushanga ngo nkani ndeba na generally umuyihanga animu atwana ndakaruru atecho tije kukigambaho abantu bariyo mbafuna so specifically abantu ba burijo just no kwijumbire bw'ubururu bakaba biyayise 10,000 but mwine sente nyingi mwine programs za government if we have serious people serious leaders ezumu kubasa ku benefitingira konkana mutakagati kigumire munonga abantu mambe n'abakipingira harengorwe then bakutegekeje so secondly
yes bazoshongere wacho then mbone kubuze cyane nyiza
so of course to me ikindi kwenda kushabaga mongere mwamana mnonga sensitization government programs and of course ninkunda na mnongo byamagara I remember encouraging our ishwemwe na mnonga okufa kw'abakyara okufa kw'abana nango mwanja atinza kukoma no this is a reality nyona ningambe kintu nimbanchi no evidence and usually na mnonga nishemererwa tufunde DHO Kemigisha Stephen I think he's going to do so much especially kuri kangu twachendeze kufa kw'abacyara na no kufa kwa because nyo omcyaro omwe kufa nazara I cannot take it right think achitwara right abana na mnonga Bushenyi kizube kitube twine kushanga abana binje mbafa na mnonga kurugaha 0 days kuteka habirumushanju na yegekeri enshonga nkuru mnonga then twine ho tukino sub counties nanga divisions zitine health center 3 atwaza kurankisha ka division yon Tarum health center 3 we only have Bushenyi health center 2 so you realize kukura division yona twinaho onne center ya kabiri so of course no harugu kurebe papara mbera but we are not interested in the papara we just need to see services
omwango BMP yagwenguza kutandika na government ndijo neza kutandika of course aruna hapo mukurahira no kundi zaro government nyinji bakawo nibyo barumhati okutebekanisa okwa bandu bantu baratahemu okuhereza abanya-Uganda. The Bushenyi we're talking about is not just any ordinary district. It's a model district. Or at least it used to be a model district. Tindikumanya how you assess that.
It used to be konka hati tinkuma because kunga ningambira health twatuba namba yo kubanza 2020 I think 2023 2024 tukaba namba yana nibiri so no last financial year jehingwi tukaba namba 42
so mbona ikibuzo cyane kigira ngo ahabebembezi abantu baza kwasiba umwuga ahabwa government yeyo netandika areas zo rukureba ngo bashemerere kutaho esera na mnungo mucyange cya Bushenyi areas zo niziyo
we bari mnunga of course you know na mnonga for me focus yanje kabira na mnonga local government na mnonga LC5 you see members of parliament though hata ujangantu mbaba takumanya their roles the only major 4 roles are members of parliament ukuranka bills ezikurabya mu ka building construction bill wabenora bakagira bya mu parliament
gamba ya sovereignty engineer
bakagira bya mu parliament konka bamwe bakabarya hero mutukumanya yarabere so for me focus yanje ekabira munonga abukuba echango nchikorwa local government level because budget neija from central government eija konka on a condition kugira ngo ekitakozere munonga noreba hati bombafuna konka tukuronda avenues zo gukora mu zinde sende atwaranka Bushenyi geshatwine mbika for zo mu bitoma eriyoko c'est tourist ekubasa umuntu wori serious munonga kurangana sakuturetera local revenue nzera hasend wareba nka katunga twine katunga reko wito mu rukakanjo ejo nenyanja district here serious kugira ngo basa kuturetera ki essence so we are only focused to munonga ha akutuyine akaru konka twine mind yo kugira ngo
muka
expanding so nyo focus munonga eyanje munonga n'abanya-Bushenyi turebe na munonga local government chairman cha person LC5 na praying mu muhango je kushanga kugira member of parliament na yaguruka ati aharuguuto ninyendo kozire ate ati ninye nkikozere even atakumanya tarashtamene na mukanso takuma kuba budget ingere takumanya n'ibintu kubyatambwire but because niyo hato because people are not informed so ekintu kushaba mnonga kugira ngo akasente kaba wako oruguto twafuna 1 billion ejo eribuke kugira ngo yakorwa kandi yaba accountable to nofuna 1 billion konko mutaru nabenshi tamwe mutahajya atobaninza kufunaho millions makumyasha just imagine among the committee naenda ho millions makumyasha so nora kugira ngo twatakendize corruption na mnonge sentes tukufuna mu central government nkiguma mnonga ekintu cyajya ngo nkizaka kanju tuzakombeke ishomero hari no mbere karwo ryombeko why would it be diverted nanga ekikuretera ryabara kombekwa aka kasenta kutukufuna district yes tikakumara tikingi because ntubantu expecting aba members ba parliament kugira ngo bashake batongerere hwa senteze zikufuna from central government aka hari many grants mwenkati jo tukafa I think harho General Luther Cheng, Minister of Health, afunde over 23 ambulances from government of Japan. So we expect kujarangu, at least in Bushenyi, if there is that robbing, funding ambulances, something of the sort. So, to in you gift funding, to in a lot of grants, start kurga kujangu zijaha budgetary so ntiteka ezibaire planning over 45 billion zija human capital development yokombe kama shomero I mean human capital development right in education na ebyamagara like now nkejesha ho mu Bushenyi twine 31.2% obuchwekasha tunakama hariga nabashaha bari hamarwaro what can we do kurebukangu abashaho baza hamarwaro
baguma
aka sentence basa kakoze of course weji yituni I think tukafuna mwebuzu so hata un member of parliament ahari kwizira kugira ngo yarobinga more wage noranki isinjiro that doing ezibabo but nkijo bakafuna 2 billion of course bakakora je mu local government assessment babongera ha sent so nishaba muno kugira ngo local government level twakora kurungi nko mu local government assessment mbakongera ha kasent ubundi tukafuna more staff byamagara so nyekinkureba icyamana munonga cha person LC5 yari serious service ntuzijira inguto nonge ntuzijira ahabo kubaka kasenta ko kwiza kakoze subwaje katibirwe atagire mu corruption maybe umugabe mirimo ukashanga kugira ngo tabandize kutuga nubwo bakuza kwereza umurimo then eze sente za road maintenance fund zija inguto zikakorwa I think twasa kore bintu byinyi then tukakozesa even na natural resources zitu ezitwide kurebuka ngo attractinga tourists district abko twine bintu birungi munonga wazo muri kajunju muri cyabyina ari ibintu byingi munonga then we can also support ngani ngamba ho nabe ni campaigning atwine abantu bokore ibintu bingi munonga muri Bushenyi byakwasa attractingira revenue mu district yitu ari umshana ari muri cyabyina nakora umutete ari hamwe bintu byingi munonga kunka government abo kubara kasenta kabe na employing n'abantu bengi akabire na yongera ha revenue yitu ya district kunka bujya mutayine kasenta kujya kata uko kumara so nyoni ntekateka mejare n'ibintu bibiri ebyo kubasa kurebukangu byakorwa mu district then aba ba leaders abandi bakakora oversight sente za wepu kwezi zo mu district you nka member parliament orebera bacyara bawe kwenyini bazifunde nanga nebyo kwija kugira ngo habaho umukoro ngo rinde bakuzinde that thing must arubukikankara because abantu bari informed they cannot even ask ngo tukora umukoro abantu bazi but sente za web if we are celebrating a function ya women's day nyana ngunda bacyara benji barkwereka ebagobero mu government if you have come celebrating your mukoro nko muri maybe yo mu cyaro nkeke tureba bacyara mbaha testimonies turaba bacyara mbaha testimonies kugira ngo government at least nyofunda ha sentezi nkozere mweki twineka factory kitu nkoka from the government so I think mbejere twatamana mu oversight abebembezi bakamanya icyo bashimiye kuba mbakora local government cha person else 5 na ba councillors be
yes
ba supported by technical team be no mu muhango go kubasa kutungura district then ba members ba parliament bakaturwana room parliament
eshazanje zampaye konkana nyenda kubuza kabuzo kamwe that's going to be my final question for you honorable what next wanyuma yero byona what next on your plate
let me I've always told the people that nyowenkanya komuntu ndukwisha kwesimba nkansira ku kibagambira ko kujya indaba inchaka atatogoye narondo mu mapana nyomu life and have been a leader and the leader has will always be
a leader
so I'm serving the country nahindegeshaha nyoni impereza ihanga kandi nyongera kusima abanyabushenyi mwe bare munonga mukampaka ruru yes kakayuza mwo okuyibaho kubuzabuza system yona bakagigura yaho so kugura baronzi bateze bururu konka mukemerera mwampaka ruru over uburure mtware 3 n'ubundi so nimbasima bakaza nko witubanya bagura abantu bayanga hacyaro cyanje kakanju inayimjaga kakanju yona almost sub county yona kagisingeramo so nimbasima abanyakakanju mwe bare munonga mwe bare kunze nyuma sub county yona kagisinga abwenchi na insisting echo ni mangu hina bagira radio bakagamba no kakanju tukagisinga ze sub county so mwenu abanyabushenyi mweno sub county zone no municipality hakari mwe sentembe nenungi konka municipality kampakaru nimbasima ntine bukomo ntine bugarikiro kananye ndo that's why I say no tokurina kubo mwebembezi kujya ngo jagamba aharuguuto my voice irakariana nanchuro nza kurukoza samunonga kurebuka ngo abanyabushenye n'abanyaganda aristwafuna ekirugwena
honorable watwara kunje munonga thank you so much kwija otatimuke ukandukije shonga tukazigamba
pana kudabendi yabo obukwemukaho emiteri y'umukaruru kanje hakize sente nyinyi kungora ngo ndugwe mukaruru no tokubasagura kemigisha na hati bari yombate no tokubasagura kemigisha I am here ngo nimwe mpake biro byo
wow thank you so much hakiri ngo twabatwina unfortunately waza kunyikiriza program tugikomya aha konkantwe ndakushashana n'amakagabo bambe abarugirweho ababo aborgutorota abantu gambaho orwambarira kuza Bushenyi kandi ndakushaba relevant stakeholders abikirkwataho okurebeka ngo mwabitamu amani tureke kugira ikijumo nkecho that's a very bad name eriyako asakuza ahacanga chitecho kandi cyangwa kitwenchi kwara kunje munonga so ntushaba ngo abikirkwataho mutemwa mani turebe changing ashi MP ndahinduka let's flip the page now tuze kuza kureba umupira gwa Champions League tumanyu Arsenal akwata gati ya Bayern na PSG. The Bobs Gad Abaho mukamba batindire bye bye.